How much does it cost to install commercial heat pumps? Several factors come into play that can significantly influence the overall costs of a commercial heat pump. One of the primary considerations is the size of the heat pump required for the specific commercial application. The size is determined by the building's size, insulation quality, and intended use. Proper sizing is crucial, as oversizing can lead to increased operational costs. Another critical factor is the type of heat pump being installed. Each type of heat pump has its own installation complexities and cost implications. For example, ground source heat pumps often require extensive ground excavation, which can substantially increase installation costs. The average cost of installing a commercial heat pump can vary based on multiple factors, including the type of heat pump and the complexity of the installation. Generally, for light commercial, installation costs for air source heat pumps range from £5,000 to £15,000 depending on the system's capacity and specific features. Installation costs for ground source heat pumps range from £15,000 to £30,000 due to the added expenses associated with excavation and drilling. It's also essential to factor in additional costs with installation and electrical upgrades, such as if the existing systems require substantial retrofitting. Several additional factors can also influence the total expenses associated with commercial heat pump installation. One significant consideration is the need for any structural modifications to the building. Another important aspect to consider is the potential need for auxiliary heating systems, particularly in regions with harsh winters. Extremely low temperatures can reduce a heat pump's efficiency, and in such cases, businesses may need to invest in supplemental heating solutions to ensure consistent comfort levels or to help supply large volumes of domestic hot water. Businesses should also take into account the long-term operational costs associated with the heat pump. Regular maintenance such as filter replacements, refrigerant checks, and annual inspections is crucial for ensuring optimal performance. To conclude, there are many factors affecting the cost of installing commercial heat pumps, including the size and type of the heat pump required. Additionally, the average cost of a heat pump installation can range from £5,000 to £30,000, depending on the type of heat pump. Additional costs can also influence the total expenses of a commercial heat pump, such as structural modifications on a building, auxiliary heating systems in the case of extremely low temperatures, and long-term operational costs. Ultimately, the decision to install a commercial heat pump should be based on a comprehensive evaluation of the specific needs, budgetary constraints, and long-term goals of the business. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.